You still ain't got your hair cut by Dbat yet? Click that link in the bio.
What's going on, everybody? It's your man D-Battle here. And real quick, I wanted to show you a few of my techniques I use to complete a tapered haircut. And in this video, my client is getting a ball taper on the sides and back. So as you can see, I'm using the Andy Supra with the 1.5 attachment on it to cut them down. And I try to get them as even as possible on top. What I couldn't get, I go back through with clip over comb just to try to even up the longer spots. And also, I use that method to debulk around the areas that I will be tapering in. After I do that, I take my Oster fast feed and I have that lever all the way open. And I'm going with the grain around the client's edges to lay down any loose hairs. Help me when I come back to start shaping them up. Put a little holding spray on them. Then I just prep the client's hair. Once again, that lever on that fast feed is all the way open, and I'm just kind of grazing the top of the hair to get the loose hairs. Now this is what I call framing. I don't know if any of you look at it, you look at your client as a canvas. So I'm basically framing my canvas. Kind of give me a, better look at the ending result. He doesn't wear any facial hair, so I'm cleaning all that up. And everything you see in this video, I'm only doing it on one side, not showing you the whole thing because I do everything on the opposite side that I do on that side. So right here, the reverse fade technique. And what I mean by that is I started out with the lever on that fast feed all the way open. And then each step I drop the lever down until I get the lever all the way closed. And like I said, he's getting a ball taper, so I'm taking the trimmer, and that's my last step, which would be some people's first step. Right there, I took the magnetic 1/16 guard, and I'm doing the same technique as I did without the guard. Those are just some finishing touches right there. Clip over comb, get out any spots I missed with the guard. So right here, as you see me pointing with the comb to his corners, he's thinning. Now he's fairly young to be thinning, and that can be a number of things. Acute alopecia maybe, or just genetics. So right here, I'm taking the Topic hair fibers, black, just to fill in that light spot in that corner. And like I said, I do the same thing on the opposite side too. I'm just showing you one side. Hold a spray to lock it in. Always apply heat after you drop your holding spray in. Now, when I first framed them, I had a pair of trimmers that are fairly sharp. They'll put a line on, but they're not like the hitters. And afterwards, I come back with the hitters to tighten that line up even more. I just showed y'all my secret ingredient, man. This product is it's a daily hair moisturizer by Influence. And I always add heat to every product that I put in the client's head. And that's basically it, and that was just my finishing touches right there. Few before and after pictures.
Woke up this morning.
That's how you bring them back. So, like I said, that's just a few of my techniques, man. If you have any questions, feel free, leave a comment, shoot me a DM. You can text me. We can set up a Zoom call, go over things one-on-one. Remember to keep them fresh.